Tonight's treats is some fried chicken, pasta bake with a piece of pasta, a bit of chicken, a little bit of bacon and a sauce, I think, and some licorice all sorts. And I'd just like to thank Buffalo Lou, JC Moore, FL Mackenzie, Female J 777, Staffy Lady, Zandor Staffy, absolutely brilliant. Anyone who wants to follow, but Buffalo Lou, thank you for that bit of information about Tallulah's, what you give Buff, the medication. I've phoned a vet and I'll explain tomorrow. I'll do a little video tomorrow, but I thank you so much. And anyone who watches, the dogs aren't here, as you can see, but I've done it secretly, so I could just thank you all. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much for your comments on the gang. Shall I let them in? Yeah, I'll let them in. There's our Lawrence Bloom. His nan's birthday, but he loves it. So you're asleep. You're asleep. Tonight's treats. Tonight's treats. Billy, he's asleep. Hey. Hey. Oh, I've explained to everyone, so I don't have to go through the rigmarole. But Billy, his new coat's coming on fine. Alright. Oh, Billy. There you are, Bill. Billy loves chicken. Alright to Lou. There you are, Lou. Yeah, Lou. There you are, man. There you are, man. And your second treat, your second chicken treat tonight is chicken pasta bake. Not homemade. I bought it and put it in the oven. Yeah. There you are. There you are, man. There you are, man. There you are, man. There you are, Bill. Yeah, Bill. Oh, don't be fussy, Bill. Hey, absolutely. And absolutely. And you know, it's absolutely brilliant. His fur's growing back brilliant. So, alright, man. Right? Alright. So the next treat is a licorice all sorts. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't resist, man. Hey, can I? Hey, where's me babies? The gang's here. The gang's with. Oh, here you are, Bill. Here you are. Tallulah, get it, Bill. Oh, we thought it was chicken, I think. Don't be so fussy, Bill. Yeah, you got one each now. Here you are. You can go first, Bill. Here you are. That was a chocolate one. I did distribute them, but... And there's the gang. My babies. My babies. Bill, my babies. Where's my babies? Oh, sorry, man. I forgot to show the place. Here you are. Billy's already on his way out. Hey. Our Molly's going. And it's all gone, Mom. It's all gone. And I'd just like to thank everyone who watches. Buffalo Lou, JC Moore, FL Mackenzie, Chrissy C, Female J777, Staffy Lady, and Zandor Staffy. Thank you so much for your views and comments. Thank you. Be safe and God bless. Tallulah's not finished. But Buffalo Lou, thank you. Thank you so much for that bit of information. Thank you so much. Be safe. God bless.